Hello, my name is Melissa Dietrich, Associate Director of Membership here at Longwood. We look forward to welcome you to the gardens this holiday season. Experience a ride of retro and numerous nostalgia moments at A Longwood Christmas, starting on November the 17th through January 7th. Member reservations are required daily from open to close during A Longwood Christmas, except for garden premium members and innovators. Visit early in the season, as sellouts are likely, especially during the weekends and the week between Christmas through New Year's Day. Member reservations can be made online at alongwoodgardens.org. You will see our gardens admission availability on our homepage, which provides an at-a-glance admission availability for the next several weeks by scrolling to the right. The key to our gardens admission availability is directly underneath the heading. Anything in blue is available and is an active link to make member reservations or time tickets. Anything in red is limited but an active link, and anything with a strike through is sold out. Member reservations can be made every half hour from 10 a.m. until 9:30 p.m. Please note you may enter up to 30 minutes before or after your scheduled time. However, you are not able to enter before we open at 10 a.m. If you'd like to bring friends and use your complimentary guest tickets this Christmas season, please be aware these tickets are not accepted on blackout days during A Longwood Christmas. Blackout dates are all Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays during A Longwood Christmas through January 1st. As well as every day from December 22nd through January 1st. Our homepage shows when complimentary guest tickets are accepted and when they are not accepted. To make your time to member reservation, please select an available time. Then select member reservation. Next is to log in. Please use the email address that is connected to your membership account. Next is your password, and of course, if you forgot your password, you can reset it. From here, you will continue on. At the top of the screen, you will see your name, your membership level, as well as your expiration date, and if you have any remaining complimentary guest tickets on your membership account. Please select the number of member reservations needed for your visit. Then add to cart. Next is you can continue shopping if you need additional admission tickets for family and friends, or you need to access your complimentary guest tickets. If you do not, just proceed to checkout. Next, you're going to finalize your sale. Scroll down and you'll see finalize sale. Next is accepting the terms and conditions. From here, you will receive an email with your member reservations or complimentary guest tickets or your admission tickets, whatever was included in that transaction. Please know you will receive an email 4 days prior to your member visit. This is a reminder if your plans have changed at all that there is a link connected to that email that you can cancel your unneeded reservations. I'd also like to share additional details to prepare you for your garden visit. We will use our remote parking lot during this season. If you're directed to our remote lot, transportation will be provided. Accessible parking with your permit is available in our main lot. Please be sure you have all you need. Once you enter the gardens, you may stay as long as you like until close. Once you leave the gardens, there is no re-entry. Scooters, wheelchairs, and strollers are available on a first-come, first-served basis. You are welcome to bring your own mobility device. Electric scooters are not available during inclement weather. Know your way around our conservatory. Our conservatory features a one-way route throughout, beginning and ending in our East Conservatory, and it may be busy. Experience our holiday lights and fountains. Our outdoor lights and fire pits begin to come on at 12 p.m. daily. Our open-air theater fountain runs daily starting at 10:15 a.m. and then running every 15 minutes until 12 p.m., weather permitting. We are grateful for your continued support, and we can't wait to see you at A Longwood Christmas.